Section 9.6, Exponential and Logarithmic Equations. Example, to solve an exponential equation such as 2 to the power of x minus 1 equals 7, we cannot rewrite 7 as a base 2 to solve this. So we need to rewrite this using logarithms. And here our base is 2. So we are going to take log of 2 to the power of x minus 1 equals log of 7. And we are using common logarithms here. Now remember the exponential rule, that the exponent goes out in front of the logarithm. So we're going to rewrite that as x minus 1 times the log of 2 equals the log of 7. Now we want to solve for x, so since this is being multiplied, we are going to divide both sides of the equal sign by log of 2. And that will leave us with x minus 1 equals log of 7 divided by log of 2. Now we want x by itself, so we are going to add 1 to both sides of the equal sign, and that gives us x equals log of 7 divided by log of 2 plus 1. Type this into your calculator to find out what that quotient is, and don't forget to add the 1, and we get x is approximately 3.8074, rounded off. Going the other way, changing from a log to an exponential equation, we can rewrite this. Our base is 2, and we know that our exponent is 4 because the log of a number is always its exponent, and that will equal the answer here, which is x minus 4. So now we want to calculate 2 to the 4th power is 16 equals x minus 4. We can solve for x by adding 4 to both sides of the equal sign, and we get x equals 20. Another example, log base 2 of x plus log base 2 of x plus 4 equals 5. Remember our product property. Let's rewrite this as a single logarithm, log base 2 of x times x plus 4 equals 5. Now that we have a single logarithm, let's rewrite it as an exponential equation. The base is 2 and the exponent is 5, so we write 2 to the 5th power equals x times x plus 4. 2 to the 5th power is 32. Multiply your x out here, and that gives us x squared plus 4x. We see now that we have a quadratic formula, or quadratic equation. So we need to subtract 32 from both sides of the equal sign and set it equal to 0. Now we can factor our quadratic equation using our two sets of parentheses. Factors of x squared are x and x. Factors of negative 32, that when you add them together give you 4 in the middle, is a positive 8 and a negative 4. Set each set of parentheses equal to 0 and solve for x. In the first one, we get x equals negative 8. In the second one, we get x equals 4. We have two answers. Always double check your answers. If we plug this back into our original equation, -8 plus 4 will give us a -4, and you cannot take the log of a negative number. So we throw out the -8. We have a single answer, x equals 4.